Heat 2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, and 1 tablespoon of sugar in a saucepan. Afterward, whisk in a tablespoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice, and half a cup of brewed espresso. In one bowl, combine 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. In another, mix a can of pumpkin puree, 1 cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, half a cup of oil, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Beat 8 ounces of cream cheese until smooth, then add a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg yolk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now, alternate spoonfuls of pumpkin batter and cream cheese mixture into muffin cups. Sauté 1 cup of diced onions and 2 minced garlic cloves until translucent. Add 4 cups of pumpkin puree, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 cup of coconut milk, and spices. After simmering for 20 minutes, serve the soup with toasted walnuts on top. Combine roasted pumpkin chunks, baby spinach, sliced red onion, feta cheese, and pumpkin seeds in a large bowl. Drizzle with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and season. Sauté a finely chopped onion and 2 minced garlic cloves. Add 1 cup of arborio rice and toast for a few minutes. Gradually add 4 cups of vegetable broth while stirring continuously. Once the rice is cooked, add 2 cups of pumpkin puree, 2 tablespoons of butter, and half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Combine half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, a tablespoon each of chia seeds and maple syrup, and half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Refrigerate overnight and enjoy cold or heated in the microwave. Combine 1 cup each of pumpkin puree, sugar, and oil with an egg. In a separate bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon each of baking soda and cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of salt. Combine the wet and dry ingredients, fold in a cup of chocolate chips, and bake at 350° F for 10-12 minutes. Remember, these recipes are flexible. Feel free to adjust based on personal preferences or dietary needs. Enjoy the pumpkin season.
Infinite Solutions. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. Thank you for watching.